Hi everyone, today's day 17. Can you even believe it? Wow, we're going to talk about homemade gifts today. Ooh, you need a list. You need to finalize your list of gifts to make. And if you read Everyday Cheapskate every day, you know that we're all over that. I've published all kinds of recipes and how-tos for the gifts that I'm making this year. But I want to encourage you to be realistic with your time. It's so easy to overestimate what we can get done and underestimate the amount of time we have to do that. So get real. Inventory your supplies. Create a shopping list and match it to craft store coupons. You know, craft stores like Michael's and JoAnn's and Hobby Lobby, they all have amazing coupons this time of year. Use them well. Make sure you don't overbuy. Then add crafting days to your holiday calendar. Are you ready to go? Have a ball. I'll see you tomorrow. Debt-Proof Living with Mary Hunt was created and hosted by me, Mary Hunt. Produced by Julie Emerson with Harold Hunt, executive producer. Save time, save money every day, and make it easy on yourself. Subscribe at everydaycheapskate.com. That's where you will find all the ways you can follow Mary, Everyday Cheapskate, and Debt-Proof Living. Thanks for listening.